Have you ever wondered, is losing muscle mass truly a normal part of aging, or just a common misconception? It's time to rethink that assumption. While it is indeed common to lose muscle mass as we age, it's not necessarily a standard we should accept. Just as we strive for excellence in our careers, why shouldn't we also strive for the same when it comes to our bodies? The bright minds at Men's T Clinic registered trademark are challenging these norms. They believe that common signs of aging, such as erectile dysfunction and muscle loss, can be prevented or even reversed. One culprit behind muscle loss could be low testosterone or T levels. As we age, it's common for T levels to drop, but even if they are within the so-called normal range, it doesn't mean they are right for you. Testosterone plays a crucial role in building muscle mass. When you do resistance exercises that stress your muscles, your body responds by producing more T, which in turn builds more muscle. However, merely lifting weights a few times a week isn't sufficient to build substantial muscle mass or release significant amounts of T. Ideally, one should perform complex exercises that stimulate multiple muscles and joints simultaneously. For instance, a study found that a loaded jump squat released more T than a simple bench press. Now, let's look at the role of T in fat and muscle dynamics. If you're low on T, that extra weight around your waist may not be solely due to lack of training. When muscle mass decreases, metabolism slows down. Muscles burn calories and keep you lean. Fewer muscles mean a slower metabolism, leading to the storage of extra calories as fat instead of being converted into energy. Moreover, body fat produces the hormone estrogen. Though men naturally have some estrogen, too much of it can lead to fat accumulation. Another so-called normal part of aging is osteoporosis. While it's often associated with postmenopausal women, men too are at risk, especially as they age. Not only does a healthy level of T prevent bone loss, but strong muscles also reduce the risk of falls. So, it's time to redefine normal. Losing muscle mass as you age doesn't have to be your reality. Low T levels not only reduce your muscles, but can also lead to other troubling symptoms often dismissed as normal aging, such as lower libido. In conclusion, don't just accept muscle loss as a normal part of aging. Challenge it. And remember, normal is just a state of mind. It's time to redefine your normal and take control of your body and health.